Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to the Stamp of the Month Club reveal for May. This month, we have a super fun stamp set, and you know it's my birthday month. You know because so many of you sent me cards and well wishes and birthday sentiments, and I appreciate it so much. So you know this stamp set has to be birthday themed, right? Because it's May. Also, if you're interested in joining our stamp club, and you should be because it's a really good deal, $11.99 a month gets you a full-size stamp set before they go into the store for anyone else to get, so you get them on the first run. And you also become a club member and get 15% off most of your purchases in our store. So if you want more information on that, it'll be in the description below. Now I'm covering this up because there's a secret hint, so I had to cover it up right here until I show you the stamp set. But without further ado, here we go. This is my birthday month stamp set. And even though right now it looks cute and you're like, okay, that's cute, there's a trick to it. And when I show you the trick, it's going to be even better. Okay, so I'm going to flip this back over and show you what Mandy did to make your life easier. So these are layering stamps, okay? And they're made to layer in such a way that it's foolproof. You cannot mess these up. You don't have to like be tricky or figure out twists and turns, nothing like that. This is just stamp on top of each other for layers. So this one here is the birthday cake with the happy birthday sentiment. This one is the happy birthday to you burst. This is the birthday candle and banner. And this is the happy birthday with the little party hat on top, okay? So when we flip it back over now, you'll see that this is the burst. This is an accent piece that goes with this, so all this lives together, okay? This little guy here and this little guy here stamped together. This little guy and this little guy stamped together. And then this one is 3 layers. It's the cake, then an accent layer, and then the happy birthday sentiment that goes with it. Now we gave you 3 extra pieces just for fun in case you wanted to use them. It's the party hat, the candle, and the 3 candles. I thought this would be cool if you wanted to make your own pattern paper to kind of have behind these, but I'm going to show you how these stamp together. This is easy. You guys tell me all the time how you love layering stamps, but you don't really like the kind of hassle that it takes. These are no hassle layers. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one, which is going to be the little starburst happy birthday, and we're going to use 3 colors of ink, and we're going to get this layered look without any hard work, okay? So first what you want to do is you want to stamp down the happy birthday sentiment. So there's our first one. Now I'm going to go into the orange for the starburst section. I think this will be cute. And what you'll do is you'll use your little piece here as a reference, okay? The little picture she gave you. And I can see where everything should line up in there. So I'm going to lay this down, and I can see that those lines are supposed to land just like, I'm twisting it to get it just right, just like that. And then I can press this down, and now my burst goes around the word happy. Look how cute that is. And there's one more for this one, so I can get another color. These are those 2 little dots. Just going to ink those up like this that go on either side of the to you. So these right here, I'm just going to stamp on either side of this. And look at there, 3 colors on this image. They work together perfectly, and it is so easy to get the look of, it's almost like a sticker, right? It's so cool. I love how these turned out. All right, let's do it again. I may just use these same colors over and over. Let's do that. We've got them out. Let's use these same colors. All right, let me clean my blocks off and stamps off and get another set. Okay, now I'm going to do the party hat one because it is super-duper easy. And I'm going to do the birthday in the blue again, just because I think it's pretty to do the birthday in the darker color that you're going to use and let the others be your accent. I also think they layer better that way. And then I'm going to do the hat and the little swoosh sentiments, or the little swoosh images in this pink, so you guys can see it well. Again, using my little cheat sheet here. Bring this up, you can see it. There's my little cheat sheet. And I see what this looks like. And I know that this little hat is supposed to go on that little H like so and nestle down into the bottom with the rest of the pink. And there we go. Look at that. It is so cute. It just looks like, a sticker almost, like because you have all these colors everywhere. I love it. Let's do the next one. So this is the happy birthday with the candles. I'm going to stamp it down, and then I'll show you how to do the little burst around it. Now the cool thing, actually, I'm going to tell you all the cool things at the end. There's a whole bunch of little other tips and tricks you need to know about this set, okay? So let's go to the orange. So this is the little burst that goes around. You could use yellow, which is probably the best option for getting the flames, but I'm going to use orange. And what you do is you line this up, and if you get over the top, it's so much better. Let me get over the top so I can do a good image for you. All right, so I'm going to get over the top, and I'm going to place this inside of here. just like so, and stamp. And again, you can use your little cheat sheet over to the side. And look at that. You get the little movement in there. It's so cool. I'm so happy with the stamp set. I got to be honest. I think that's awesome because I love multiple colors for focal points, but it's hard sometimes with all of your layered images. Okay, I've got one more. Let's do it. Now for this one, I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to do the cake itself in the lighter color. And the reason is I want to stamp over the cake with my birthday sentiment. So I'm going to do this in the lighter color. So I'm going to stamp that down here. Good press, just like that, okay? Then in my kind of pinky red color, let me make sure I can get this where y'all can see it. In my pinky red color, let me get that in there like this. I'm then gonna lay this over. Let me stand up. Line that up like that. Oh, it's so cute. Look how cute it looks. It works really well when you get over the top. You do have to get over the top. Then in the blue, I'm gonna stamp happy birthday. And I wanna show you on the little thingy. See how happy birthday does? The word happy lives in the cake, okay? So I'm going to stamp this with the word happy in the cake and birthday underneath. And that is how you get that little sentiment. Now, of course, you can use this cake any way you want. You don't have to use it in the layers, but that is the 3 that you can work out. But I want to show you this, okay? Not only do you get these 3 layered, or the 3, you get these 4 layered up images, you also can use this happy birthday to you, this happy birthday all by themselves, okay? This one can be colored. We did that on purpose. It's just a colorable image if you just want to do your own coloring, all right? You can use the cake totally by itself. These you can use just by themselves as well because they look super cute when they're stamped. Let me show you. So let's say you just want to kind of play into your own thing and you take the sentiment that says happy birthday and you stamp it down like this. And then you take that little candle burst image like so. You can stamp it right behind it, right above it. Look at this. Look how cute. It just looks like a party. And this is the one we used inside of there, right? So there are lots of different ways to mix this around and play with it. You also have the candle burst, and the little party hat. You can use it any way you want to too. You can even, let me show you the party hat. You can even take the party hat. Now, I don't know if the orange is going to show very well, but this is the color that's complementary. You can take the party hat and come right here to this image and stamp it on top and get even more color in there. See that? See how it added some color to it? It's so cool. I love this set. It was super fun to create. We spent a lot of time on it, believe it or not, because we wanted to make it, again, where everybody could layer with it and everybody could be successful. It's super easy to do. It gets you all of those colors. Imagine what you can do with this. Pink and brown and blue and yellow and all the colors you can mix together for that. And then what else could you use this starburst for? 1,000 things. You guys will come up with a whole bunch of stuff. Speaking of that, we want to do a contest for you guys. As always, with our Stamp Club set, we do a contest over on our customer gallery, and your entry is just your project done with this stamp set, whether you're a club member or not. If you purchase this set and you do a project with it, we want to see it. So put it on our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card. Now, as always, I film these videos before our giveaway is over, so the winner from last month will be in the description below, and that way you will know if you are our lucky winner from last month's stamp set. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all the sweet, kind birthday wishes you guys gave to me. In case you don't know, my birthday was on May 3rd, so just last Friday. This one is already in the mail to you guys, and I cannot wait for you guys to get it and see what you do with it. It is so fun and so easy to do. You're gonna love it. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.